Next is a finger spelling exercise. The rule for spelling 4-letter names follows the same pattern as 3-letter names. You hold your hand in one place, keep your elbow by your side, and spell each column of names. I'm going to do one. You can practice the others, and you'll get to pick one for your video. Number 1. I want to know, why are 20 and 3 signed differently? We're going to learn our 20s, our numbers, in just a second. Why are some of our numbers signed differently than how we normally sign them? ASL, remember, comes from French Sign Language, and so our numbers are almost the same as the French hearing signs or gestures for those numbers. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We kept our 1. We usually use our 2. We always use their 3, and 4 and 5 are the same. But for the 20s, we use this 2. There's still 2 fingers. We just use this version. But before we get into that, we're going to do a quick number review. I'm just going to sign through the numbers 0 through 20, and if you are in a place to follow along, you should do so. Here we go. And if that was too fast, you can always go back and slow the video down and practice again. Vocabulary number 9. The numbers 21 to 30. First one is 21. This is when things get complicated. My hand doesn't work right. This thumb can wiggle in, this one can't. I can hold my thumb and straighten it out. Otherwise, my finger is stuck. I can't lift it up. This one can do it. This can't. They're like stuck together. See how my fingers bend in on this hand and they don't on this hand? So I have to modify how I sign 21 because I can't bend my thumb in. Otherwise, they both wiggle, and that's incorrect. So my thumb stays straight. Your thumb probably works better than mine, so you can feel free and curl it in. So 21 or 21. Either way, we don't shoot people. We're going to shoot to the side or shoot up in the air. This is a sign 2, 20, with the 2 fingers like this, and then 1, and we're going to just move it back and forth real quick. I usually do the backwards version. 21. And if your thumb worked correctly, 21. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. 22 follows the double number rule. We'll learn more about that in a week or two. 22. 22. Tap a 2 down towards your center and tap a 2 down towards your shoulder. 22. 23, 2, and 3. 23. We wiggle our middle finger. 23 or 23. 24, 24. There's no special wiggle one. It's too many fingers moving. 24. There's several variations of 25. It's still a variation on moving from 2 to 5, 25. You will see people wiggle any number of fingers after that. 25, you can wiggle all of them. You can wiggle just the middle one, which kind of wiggles the one next to it. Some people will wiggle these two. 25, I usually do this one. Just wiggle the middle finger. So it looks like you're switching back and forth between 2 and 5 really quickly. Now after that, the rest of them are just nice, simple, plain numbers. 26, 27, 28, 29, and then 30 is 30. Taps twice. Okay, take a deep breath. The 20s are horrible. They're complicated, but this is the last of the really tricky numbers. 0 through 29, every number feels like it's following a different rule. After that, there's like 3 rules, and they all follow them from then on. So we'll get to those rules probably next week, but keep practicing. You can do it. Let's run through the numbers real quick, our new ones that we just learned. 21, tap down twice, 22. 23, wiggle your middle finger. 24, just a 2 and a 4. 25, wiggle your middle finger again. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Phew. All right. Now they're going to do some practicing with your numbers. The nice thing is the new numbers are not what we're practicing this week. Oh, we're so sad. No, we're not. We're excited. So all you need to be able to practice is up through 20, it looks like. So enjoy that. Do keep working on your 20s. We'll get to practicing them soon. So accent step, think visually. For horizontal rows, start a little more towards the center of your chest and move your hands slightly out for each number. Only a few inches either way. For a horizontal drill, I'm going to sign the first one. There's plenty of ones to practice, and you'll get to pick one to sign for your video this week. So number 1. The next exercise is a shape drill. Using what we've just learned, sign these numbers in a shape. It should be a small shape, not like all the way around you. I'm going to sign number 1, and I'm going to start in the top left corner and go around from there. So either start in the top middle or top left corner. So I'm going to sign. If you start in a circle, start in the middle. You start in a triangle. You can pick any of these shapes to sign through. I understand your numbers are not going to be as quick as mine. That's okay. Sign at whatever speed works for you. And for athletes' jerseys, place the number in front of your chest to show where it is printed on the jersey. And then just for fun, here are the jerseys. So our first guy has a 5 on his chest. And our second guy has a 13 on his chest. So I'm going to sign that. His jersey, his shirt number 5 or 13.